Maintaining fitness is essential for living a healthy and happy life. Regular exercise and healthy eating habits can help prevent many health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. However, with busy schedules and hectic lifestyles, it can be challenging to prioritize fitness. In this essay, we will discuss various ways to maintain fitness and lead a healthy lifestyle. The importance of fitness is not just about having a toned body, it is about maintaining overall health and wellness. Regular exercise helps to strengthen the muscles and bones, improve cardiovascular health, and increase energy levels. It also helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and promotes better sleep. Fitness is crucial in preventing many health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Maintaining a healthy diet is an essential part of maintaining fitness. A balanced diet should include a variety of foods from all the food groups. The recommended daily intake of fruits and vegetables is at least 5 servings per day. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats should also be part of a healthy diet. It is essential to limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated fats and sodium. Regularly exercise is a crucial component of maintaining fitness. It is recommended to engage in moderate-intensity exercise for at least 150 minutes per week. Exercise can include activities such as jogging, swimming, cycling, or weightlifting. Incorporating physical activity into daily routines, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during lunch breaks, can also be beneficial. Strength training is an essential component of fitness. It helps to build muscle mass and increase metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning. Strength training can include lifting weights, resistance band exercises, or body weight exercises. It is recommended to perform strength training exercises at least 2 days per week. Flexibility training is essential for maintaining mobility and preventing injuries. Flexibility training can include stretching exercises, yoga, or Pilates. It is recommended to perform flexibility training exercises at least 2 days per week. Cardiovascular training is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular training can include activities such as running, swimming, cycling, or aerobics. It is recommended to engage in moderate-intensity cardiovascular training for at least 150 minutes per week. Rest and recovery are essential components of maintaining fitness. It is essential to allow the body to rest and recover after exercise. This can include getting enough sleep, taking rest days, and incorporating active recovery, such as stretching or yoga, into a fitness routine. Staying hydrated is an essential part of maintaining fitness. Drinking enough water helps to regulate body temperature, maintain proper hydration, and flush out toxins from the body. It is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Mental health is an essential component of overall health and wellness. Engaging in activities that promote mental health, such as meditation or mindfulness, can help reduce stress and anxiety. It is also essential to seek help if needed from mental health professionals. Conclusion: maintaining fitness is essential for living a healthy and happy life. Regular exercise and healthy eating habits can help prevent many health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Incorporating strength training, flexibility training, cardiovascular training, rest and recovery, hydration, and activities that promote mental health can all contribute to maintaining fitness. It is essential to make fitness a priority and find activities that are enjoyable to maintain a healthy lifestyle.